Today we are going to test some items out with this.
That is called the litmus paper.
This is called a litmus paper.
Yeah.
And it won't just be the same color.
So I'm
It will
squeezing.
change color.
I'm squeezing some orange juice into the cup. I think this should be enough, right?
Yeah, that should be good.
Now, okay, go ahead and test it out.
Oops, there's the little seed. Oh, there's the orange.
Okay, just one drop.
One drop.
Okay. Woo! Which pH is that? Check it out.
I think it's number 2. Let's check. Yep, number 2.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I can see it's like the same. Or
Or
maybe
like
number
between
3.
2 or 3.
Yeah, 2 or 3.
Yes, maybe 2.5.
Oh yeah.
So the pH of an orange is 2.5.
Oh my god. Wait, let's see if we do more.
So what does acidic taste like? No need. It will be the same. Acidic tastes sour. You can finish this.
Thank you so much.
And I can drink this.
Right, I can drink that.